Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Drywall sander, the model PWDS 920D4. This is the new model from Parkside with powerful 710 watts motor with adjustable speed and oscillation rate for optimum sanding results. No load rotation speed from 800 to 1800 RPM. Sanding disc dimension round 21.5 cm. Triangular 28.5 by 28.5 cm. Sanding head inclination angle 100 degrees front rear and 24 degrees left right with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. In the box we have these sanding sheets, 2, 4, 6 round discs, P240, P180, P150, P120, 80 and 100. Okay, different dimensions, I like that. And the triangular, another 6 with the same dimensions like the round discs. Yep, correct. Nice. One screwdriver, one hex key, carbon brushes replacement. Okay. And I think you can replace the carbon brushes, one here, remove the screw, and another one here. Here it is the triangular sanding head. Okay, let's remove that. And around we have the LEDs. Transparent. Nice. And of course you can choose to install one head here. It is very easy. Alignment very well. With the holes. That helps for the dust extraction. That was all. And very easy to remove. The adjustable flexible spiral hose with a length 2.5 meters. Wow, it is huge. The connection for your vacuum with adapter. And at the other end, you can connect it here. Install that inside. But first let's lock here. Perfect. And then press. Okay. And rotate. And now is lock it. Very easy. Locks and that. You can directly connect the spiral hose for your vacuum here if you don't want to use the extension tube. If you want to use the extension tube, unlock and then remove the spiral hose, connect the extension hose here. It says maximum. Perfect. And then you can connect at this side and the vacuum. And of course you can adjust the length. The total length it is 170 centimeters. From 120 to 170. You can make the adjustments. And again the same connection. locks, rotate, and that was all. So easy. Soft handle here and here. Nice. Plenty of accessories. The power cord with a length 5 meters, very convenient. Here we have the on-off switch, the lock button for the on-off switch, press, and you can work continuously. I like it. And here we have the speed control. Nice. Unlock. The lock and unlock lever fold and unfold. Very easy. And here it is the button for the LED light. Now moving on at the front, there is the LED light around. Nice. You can unplug the LED lights if that is necessary. 710 watts motor, spiral hose in here. You can make the adjustments. And of course it is very easy to install one of these round sanding seats, alignment with a hole. And that was all. We have the brass around. Soft pad here for the sanding seat. And here we have the unlock lever in both sides. So press that, pull, and you can remove the round sanding head. And you can install the triangular. Here we can see the main shaft, lubricated. It goes inside here. You just have to press, and that was all. So easy to replace from round to triangular. Nice. And then you can connect the LEDs here. That's why you need to remove this cable. I like it. So easy. You can use the screwdriver to remove the cover for the two carbon brushes. And you can use this hex key if you want to remove this round head and clean it. Remove the screw and then clean it. I like it, it feels very durable, good construction, all the parts. The cable for the main motor goes inside this tube and you can control it from here. Now let's plug it in and see how it works for now. We have two levels of brightness, 1 and 2nd. I like it. Very good brightness. Definitely you can see everything very well. Let's test it in with the round. Connect and the light. Oh, there it is. First, second. First, second. Very bright. I like the new model. As I mentioned, this is the new model. You can check the oldest model right in the corner after the end of this video. We have this grip here. So let's test it. I will install one disc. That's how you can see better. I am adjusting the speed. This is the first speed, second, third, 4, 5. So total we have 5 speeds. Let's check in with the triangle. Of course, the triangle is not rotating, it's only vibrating, obviously. So, let's move on for testing. That is the most important. See how it works. For anyone tackling drywall on a regular basis, or even just a large renovation project, this drywall sander is a fantastic investment. Its powerful motor, effective dust extraction, and ergonomic design drastically reduce the time and effort involved in sanding. It's a game changer for achieving smooth, professional finishes and a highly recommended tool for any serious DIYer or tradesperson. And that brings us to the end of our hands-on review of the Parkside Drywall sander. I truly hope this video has given you a comprehensive understanding of its features, its efficiency, and whether it's the right tool to make your drywall projects a breeze. If you found this video helpful or simply appreciate seeing powerful tools that save time and effort, please give it a big thumbs up, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tool reviews, DIY projects and renovation tips. Plus, don't forget to check out some of our other power tool reviews and DIY guides right here. Thanks so much for tuning in everyone, keep those walls smooth and I'll catch you in the next one.